This video is to help you write your practical problems for the calendar project. When you do this, the easiest way is to start with a two-step equation. So I just picked any old equation and I wrote it down. The next thing that you need to do is figure out what each part is going to mean. So if I wanted to deal with money, I could say that $96 was my total. And then I could say that the other side was how much I am buying or what I am buying. Within the left side, you also need to figure out what the 5 and the 7n are going to be. Since I love Christmas, I'm going to do a Christmas problem. So I'm going to say that $5 are for candy canes, and I'm going to say that 7n is for Santas. Now that I know what everything is going to stand for, I can start writing my problem. So I can start with Miss I is going to the store to buy Christmas decorations. She buys candy canes for $5. So that just took care of my plus 5. And, remember, and means plus. She bought Santas for $7 each. This word each tells me that I have a variable. You do need to have something that signifies your variable. So each or per, something like that. You can look at some of those keywords we've had in other problems. Then I need to figure out what I'm actually trying to find. So if I have n and it's $7 each, my question is how many Santas did she buy if she spent, and now I need my total, so she spent $96 at the store. You know that you're done when you have everything in your problem. So I have my 5, my 7, and my 96. I know I have a variable in there because of the each. And I have my question. So how many Santas did I buy? So that's one example for a two-step equation. We're going to do one more example. This one has two variable terms. They're both on the same side. So I chose the equation -24 equals 5r plus 3r. Now I know that the -24 is on the left side, but for my problem, I'm actually going to turn it into a positive 24. So if you want to take away a negative on one side, you can. When I do this problem, I am going to say that my r's are going to be how much I am selling a cupcake for. So if r is for a cupcake, my 5r can be for a big one, and my 3r can be for a mini cupcake. My 24 is going to represent my total. Now that I've figured out what everything is going to be, I need to write my problem. So I can say that Bull Run Middle School is having a bake sale. Cupcakes are being sold. It is $5 for a big cupcake and $3 for a mini cupcake. So that took care of my 5R and my 3R. Now I need my question, so I can say, how many cupcakes were sold if they made $24? Again, at the end, you need to make sure you have everything. So I have a 5 and a 3 for my 5R and my 3R. And then I have my 24 for my total. And I have my question. How many cupcakes were sold? Once you write the equation, you're going to go through and solve it like normal. So you're going to start from there and solve and figure out what R equals. So that's how you're going to write these practical problems. Using those two-step equations are going to be the easiest thing for you guys.